Hi, hello. Kind of my first video on here. My name is Zach. God damn it. Anyways, my grandma has this old go-kart kind of thing. It's kind of like an ancient relic from the 80s. And she's decided to give it to me to rebuild it. And I think you can see very clearly why it needs to be rebuilt. There isn't anything on here that isn't rusted. Now, this is mainly due to Hurricane Helene, which caused a ton of flooding on Siesta Key. Like, the entire island almost was underwater, which is also the cause for another future project, but we'll get to that sometime later. But anyways, for now, let's just focus on the go-kart. This guy right here is my dad. He drove around the go-kart like once or twice when he was little, I think.
There's my thought. Standing straight up on its ass.
Now, unfortunately, I am going to have to blur out the fat guy that kind of resembles the Floridian version of Santa Claus, or Unc for short, throughout the rest of the video, as I am not 100% sure if YouTube counts this as nudity.
Put this on the bottom. Yep. Go that way. Alright, I get one ride in it when you guys build it.
Alright, so here's the go-kart. Just picked it up from my grandma's house and brought it back over here. It's definitely a project, let's just say that. There's not anything on here that isn't rusted to shit at all. Also, I know I look bald, but trust me, I'm not. And I mean, the entire thing is rusted out, man. Look at that. Oh my God. That kind of moves. Got that. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It is gonna have to remain on the trailer for a while, maybe just a little bit, but for right now, I'm just gonna wash it off. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. Rinsing it off. Not really much to do besides wiping it off, wiping all the dirt off. So we'll just take it off the trailer next and probably start taking it apart.
Come on.
Alright, so it's in the garage now. I think the next thing we'll do is get in the air. Don't really need to, but just do it just because. It's not really the greatest thing to look at right now, but I have a vision. Just trust the process. Please, just trust the process. I got this. I think. I mean, there's not really much to it. It's just a rusted frame, motor, and some wheels and a fiberglass body. So there's not much to it, which means there's a lot to do to it. Maybe add some actual lights right there. Freshen up the paint. Maybe repaint it something else. Obviously put a new motor in it because it was underwater. So, and if I'm gonna have to. You can see all the rust. I don't know, but the entire frame's rusted, so I'm not even sure it's savable at all. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I'm sure you would love to see how I look like sitting in it. So. Barely fit myself in here. This is my nuts are touching the steering wheel. Can't even touch the pedals. I'm like squatted in here. I just went out. Yeah, this is not really the best look for me. I'm sure it can be adjusted though. Somewhat. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh, I feel old getting out of it. Alright, so we'll start taking it apart in the next video and getting all the rusty bolts and stuff off. And then, take the frame off and all that. And see if, not the frame, the body, the fiberglass body, take that off, and see which part of the frame is even savable, which I don't think any of it is, but we'll see. So I'll see you in the next one.